In this video, I'll show you how to make a Cash App business account, step by step. By the way, if you run a business, Cash App probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your account settings, where you can manage your personal and business details. From the profile menu, tap on Personal. This section shows your current account information. Scroll all the way down, and you'll see an option that says Switch to Business Account. Tap on that to begin creating your Cash App business account. When you switch to a business account, Cash App unlocks several useful features. You'll get a business badge on your profile, so customers know they're paying a business. You'll also see clear transaction fees with no hidden charges, and you'll get support for tax documentation. This includes automatic tax forms when your transactions reach certain limits, which makes tracking income much easier. After tapping to switch, Cash App will ask you to choose your business type. You'll see options like individual, sole proprietor, LLC, corporation, or non-profit. If you're a freelancer or self-employed, choose individual. If you have a registered business, select the option that matches your business structure. Next, you'll be asked to enter basic business information, such as your business name, where you operate from, and a few additional details. Once you complete these steps, your Cash App business account will be set up and ready to use. Cash App is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.